Advantages using SolidWorks program. First, you can visualize your product and customer can imagination. Second, easy presentation. You can show engineering construction of your product. Third, this program can make explode view. So you can make assembly instruction with this program. Packaging illustration. Brake component. Call-up bill of materials. If your production worker can't imagine, you can show the part like this. Easy print or convert to PDF files, and many more. Thank you for watching. Please push free subscribe button.